Hello 18, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Update tayo with Jeff Benjamin. Sino nga ba si Jeff Benjamin? Si Jeff Benjamin is a multi-award winning music journalist and pop culture expert, best known as one of the leading American authorities on K-pop. For over a decade, he has served as a columnist for Billboard and has written for major publications like the New York Times, Rolling Stone, and Forbes. He has been a prominent figure in bridging the gap between Korean pop music and Western audiences, often recognized for his exclusive interviews with major K-pop acts like BTS, Blackpink, at DPR. Alam niyo ba, ito yung top 10 na album ng iTunes worldwide. Hindi kasama dyan ng SB19. Subalit, si Jeff Benjamin ay nag-rank siya ng kanyang sariling top 10 worldwide iTunes album. At heto nga, sinama niya ang ating mahalima. At heto nga, number 5. Top 5 ang ating The King of P-pop sa kanyang listahan bilang most or top album ng iTunes worldwide. Mahilig siya at very supportive sa mga Asian artists like BTS, may dugong Pinoy na si Olivia Rodrigo, at full-blooded na ating boys SB19.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.